Are you drowning in fragmented AI tools, stitching together image editing workflows with duct tape and caffeine? This skill gives you modular pre-processing pipelines with PyTorch transforms, GAN-based in-painting models, TensorFlow.js integration for browser deployment, Kubernetes-managed edge inference, and GitOps-style workflow versioning. Whether you're a computer vision engineer, ML ops specialist, or the person who accidentally became the team's DevOps guru, we've all been there. Stop juggling fire, build pipelines that work like clockwork. Here's what's inside the Building AI Image Editing Workflow skill. You'll get data pipeline modules with albumentations augmentation, pre-trained StyleGAN 3 models for artistic edits, Dockerized deployment stacks with fast API endpoints, DVC-driven version control for dataset/model lineage tracking, and collaborative annotation tools with CVAT integration. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples, and it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From zero to production ready in the time it takes to roast a coffee batch. Installing the Building AI image editing workflow skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-ai-image-editing-workflow. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert-level guidance, production-grade code templates, and pre-trained model adapters. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Suddenly, your AI assistant knows how to spin up GPU-optimized training pipelines, containerize with Helm charts, and version control with DVC. Welcome to the future of image editing. No duct tape required.